LLMs for business benefits. The ABC every business owner should know. Imagine having a virtual team member who never sleeps, never complains, and can write you proposals, analyze reports, handle emails, and even generate marketing ideas, all in seconds. That's the power of LLMs, large language models, the new game changer for smart business owners. But what exactly are they? How do they work? And how can you use them to grow your business today? Stick with me, because in this video, we'll unpack the ABC of LLMs for business owners. A. Awareness. What LLMs really are. B. Business benefits. How they make you faster and smarter. C. Choosing the right one. Which model fits your business best. A. Awareness. Knowing what LLM means. So what is an LLM? LLM stands for Large Language Model. It's a type of artificial intelligence trained on massive amounts of text, think books, articles, websites, and reports, to understand how humans communicate. This allows it to generate natural language, summarize information, analyze data, and solve problems, all using plain English, in simpler terms. It's like hiring a super smart assistant who has read the entire internet and can instantly help you with almost any task that involves words or data. And it's not science fiction anymore. Right now, millions of businesses use LLMs daily through tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Mistral to handle writing, analysis, customer service, and automation. If your business runs on communication, documentation, or decision-making, an LLM can plug directly into your workflow and make it 5 times faster. Under the hood, an LLM learns by predicting the next word in a sentence, millions of times, until it understands how humans think and write. It doesn't memorize. It recognizes patterns. Think of it as having a language brain that can write proposals in your tone, summarize 30-page reports, and generate new business ideas in seconds. In fact, over 72% of companies in 2025 already use some form of LLM in daily operations. This isn't the future, it's the present. Now that we know what LLMs are, let's talk about why they matter for you. B. Business benefits. Here's how companies, big and small, are already using LLMs to save time and increase revenue and make better decisions. 1. Writing and communication. LLMs are changing how businesses create content. Imagine this. Your real estate agency needs a proposal for a high-end client. Instead of spending 2 hours writing it, you feed the client's details to ChatGPT. And in 2 minutes, it produces a polished client-ready pitch that only needs your personal touch. Or your marketing team asks Claude to write 10 variations of an Instagram caption for your new product launch, all tailored to different customer moods and times of day. From emails to blog posts to contracts, LLMs make your words work faster than ever. 2. Customer support. Think about your online store receiving dozens of WhatsApp messages daily. Product questions, delivery issues, return requests. Instead of hiring multiple agents, you connect an LLM chatbot trained on your business FAQs. It answers customers instantly, even at midnight, with consistent, friendly tone and accurate information. One e-commerce owner I spoke would reduce response time from 45 minutes to 5 seconds and increase customer satisfaction by over 60%. That's the kind of impact we're talking about. No delays, no stress, no missed sales. 3. Data and document analysis. Every business deals with long reports, policies, and documents, and that's where LLMs shine. Imagine your finance team uploading a 50-page quarterly report into Gemini, and in seconds, getting a summary of revenue drivers, loss points, and future recommendations, all formatted for presentation. Or your law firm uses Claude to read through 100 client contracts and instantly flag any with missing compliance clauses. That's weeks of manual review reduced to minutes of clarity. 4. Decision support. This is where LLMs start to feel like digital business analysts. Picture your retail brand uploading sales data from the past 6 months into ChatGPT. You simply ask, what product are trending down and what should I promote next month? In seconds, it identifies patterns, gives insight-backed suggestions, and even generates campaign ideas. Or your restaurant uses an AI dashboard powered by Mistral to monitor customer reviews, The model highlights recurring complaints, recommends menu adjustments, and even predicts which dishes will trend next week. That's decision-making with superhuman speed. 5. Productivity and cost savings. Here, LLMs transform your bottom line. Your consulting firm uses ChatGPT to automate weekly report generation, cutting 5 hours of manual work per consultant. Your logistics company uses an LLM-powered assistant to schedule deliveries, reply to vendor emails, and compile performance metrics, all hands-free. That's not just productivity, it's profit. Instead of hiring extra staff for repetitive work, your existing team operates at double capacity with AI support. In short, LLMs don't replace your team, they amplify them. They help you do more in less time, make smarter decisions, and focus on what truly grows your business. Creativity, strategy, and connection. Your AI's output. Think of it as a co-pilot, not a replacement. Finally, C is for choosing the right LLM. There are several models out there, and the best one depends on your goals, budget, and workflow. Let's go over the most popular options. OpenAI GPT-4 or GPT-5, ChatGPT, perfect for general business operations, from writing to brainstorming and automation. Imagine your marketing agency using ChatGPT to generate 10 creative ad campaigns in 60 seconds, complete with taglines, tone suggestions, and social captions. Or your HR department using it to instantly draft job descriptions, screening questions, and even personalize onboarding plans for new hires. It's powerful, widely supported, and connects easily with tools like Google Sheets, Notion, Slack, or Zapier, so your AI can actually do things, not just talk. Claude by Anthropic. Claude shines when it comes to handling long, complex documents. Picture a legal or consulting firm uploading a 60-page client contract, and Claude summarizing the key risks, clauses, and action points in under 2 minutes. Or an internal communications team using Claude to rewrite technical policies into simple, engaging employee guides. If your workflow involves documents, details, in depth, Claude is your quiet powerhouse. Google Gemini is a natural choice for businesses already inside the Google ecosystem. It plugs directly into Docs, Gmail, and Sheets. So imagine this. Your consulting firm uploads raw survey results into Sheets, and Gemini automatically generates clean executive summaries, charts, and presentation-ready insights, turning hours of data work into minutes. Or your sales team lets Gemini draft follow-up emails based on client meeting notes from Google Docs, all inside your existing workspace. LLaMA or Mistral open source. If you're a tech-forward business that values control and privacy, open-source LLMs like LLaMA or Mistral let you build your own in-house AI assistant. For example, a fintech company could train a private LLaMA model on its internal transaction records, helping staff instantly answer compliance questions without exposing sensitive data to the cloud. Or a logistics firm might use Mistral to automatically summarize daily shipping reports and performance trends, running completely on its private servers. For specific industries, there are specialized models too. Legal BERT for law, FinGPT for finance, MedPLM for healthcare. When choosing a model, always weigh these 3 essentials. 1. Privacy. Will your company data stay secure and confidential? 2. Cost. Some models bill per word or per token, others per minute processing. Pick what fits your usage level. 3. Integration. Go for models that slide easily into your existing tools, not ones that force you to rebuild your workflow. For most small and medium-sized businesses, starting with ChatGPT or Claude is the smartest move. They're simple, scalable, and business-friendly. Once you see results, you can always level up to custom or open-source options. Start small, test with free trials, and always review your AI's output. Think of it as a co-pilot, not a replacement. So let's recap. The ABC of LLMs for business is simple. A. Awareness. Know what LLMs are and how they think. B. Business benefits. Use them to save time, cut costs, and improve communication. C. Choosing the right model. Pick one that matches your needs and privacy standards. In 2025, businesses that adopt LLMs early will gain a massive edge. Faster operations, smarter decisions, and higher profits. We're entering a new era where AI doesn't just assist, it accelerates. So if you've been ignoring AI tools, this is your sign to start experimenting. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share with a business owner who needs to catch up with the future. And comment below. What's one task in your business you'd love AI to handle for you? Because in this new world of business, the smarter you work, the further you go.